Today, I want to share a story of inspiration, a community building something special at Wat Kwao Kong. In the heart of this village, people have come together with a shared vision, working hand in hand to create something truly meaningful. It's not just about the physical structures or the technology, but about the spirit of collaboration that brings everyone closer. Congratulations to all of you for showing what's possible when people unite. Your dedication and teamwork have turned dreams into reality, and your achievements are a testament to the power of collective effort. You're pioneers in a new digital frontier, building a legacy of cooperation and trust. By embracing innovation, you're setting an example for others to follow, showing that progress is possible when we work together. In a divided world, you've chosen unity and action. You've shown that differences can be set aside for a greater purpose, and that together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. By trading goods and services with Pi, you're voting for a more inclusive future. Every transaction is a step toward a world where opportunity is open to all, regardless of background or circumstance. Your actions tell a story of hope, resilience, and the power of community. You've shown that when people support one another, even the biggest challenges can be overcome. What you're doing is a real-world experiment in social economics. You're not just talking about change, you're living it, testing new ideas, and building a better system from the ground up. The data isn't in a lab, it's in your daily lives and your marketplace. Every interaction, every exchange, is proof that innovation can thrive in everyday moments. This is science in action, driven by people, for people. Your willingness to try new things and adapt is what makes this movement so powerful. Your success is a beacon for others to follow. It lights the way for communities everywhere, inspiring them to believe in their own potential. You've created a vibrant local ecosystem where others saw only challenges. Your creativity and determination have transformed obstacles into opportunities for growth. The world is watching and learning from you. Your journey is inspiring people far beyond your own community, showing what's possible when vision meets action. You're not just members of the Pi Network, you're leaders and innovators. You're shaping the future, one step at a time, and your courage is paving the way for others. Your story is just beginning, and it's already worth telling far and wide. The legacy you're building today will inspire generations to come, and your example will echo in communities everywhere. What is the Pi Network? If you've ever wondered how digital money works, or if you can be a part of it, you're in the right place. Imagine a digital currency, like dollars or baht, but it lives on your phone. You don't need a bank account or a wallet full of cash, just your mobile device. This is cryptocurrency, money for the internet age. It's designed to be fast, secure, and borderless, letting you send or receive value anywhere in the world. Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts or people with expensive computers. It's about bringing digital money to ordinary people, no matter their background. All you need is a smartphone to join. The app is free and easy to use, so anyone can get started in just a few minutes. The goal: create a digital currency for everyday people, everywhere. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a business owner, Pi is designed for you. Started by Stanford grads, Pi is easy to mine. Just tap the app once a day. There's no need to solve complex puzzles or compete with powerful machines. No expensive computers or electricity needed. You won't see your bills go up, and you don't need any technical skills to participate. This gives everyone a fair chance to participate. It's about building a network that's open and fair, where everyone can contribute and benefit. Why does this matter? Sending money across borders is often slow and costly. Traditional banks can take days and charge high fees. Pi could make global payments fast and cheap, even for those without banks. It opens up new possibilities for people in remote areas or developing countries. The Pi Network is building a platform where you can use Pi to buy real goods and services. Imagine paying for coffee, groceries, or even school supplies with Pi. The most important part is the community. Members, or pioneers, run the network. They help secure the system and grow its reach. The more people join, the stronger Pi becomes. It's a movement powered by trust, cooperation, and shared goals. Wat Kwao Kong is a perfect example of this idea in action. Here, people come together to support each other and build something new. They show that Pi's true power comes from the people who use and trust it. When communities unite, digital currency can truly make a difference in everyday lives. How does digital currency become real? What does it take for something virtual to gain tangible value in our daily lives? Wat Kwao Kong's marketplace has the answer, showing us how a digital idea can transform into a thriving real-world economy. Here, Pi is the currency. Vendors sell everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The market buzzes with activity as people use Pi to buy and sell, just like any traditional money. It's more than shopping. It's a living demonstration of Pi's utility. Every transaction is a testament to the trust and collaboration within this community. Pi was once just a number on a screen, but this community created real value. Through their participation, they've turned digital tokens into something meaningful. By agreeing on prices in Pi, they brought the currency to life. Each deal made in Pi strengthens its role as a medium of exchange. A farmer sells produce for Pi, then uses it to buy a meal, completing an economic circle. The currency flows from hand to hand, supporting livelihoods and local businesses. This is a peer-to-peer economy, people trading directly, no banks needed. Trust and cooperation replace the need for intermediaries. Every transaction adds another brick to this new economy. The marketplace grows stronger with each exchange, building a foundation for the future. Wat Kwao Kong proves Pi isn't just a speculative game, it's a tool for real commerce. Here, digital currency is woven into the fabric of daily life. Their actions provide a model for communities everywhere. They show how innovation and unity can reshape economies from the ground up. They've turned digital promise into everyday reality. What was once theoretical is now practical, visible, and impactful. Each trade strengthens the foundation of their local economy, proving that with shared vision, digital currency can truly thrive. What's the secret behind Wat Kwao Kong's success? Unity. This community knows they're stronger together. They support each other, share knowledge, and celebrate successes. New vendors get help setting up wallets and learning Pi payments. Regular meetings keep everyone connected and informed. They decide on fair prices together, ensuring a stable marketplace. It's not competition, it's collaboration. Think of it as building a giant puzzle. Each person adds a piece, and together, they reveal the big picture. Their unity is a defense against doubt and negativity. When challenges arise, they draw strength from each other. The success of one inspires all. Shared belief fuels determination and overcomes obstacles. Unity is their superpower. In any economy, trust is the most valuable asset. Wat Kwao Kong builds trust with every transaction. Vendors deliver quality, buyers pay honestly, reliability is their foundation. Transparency about Pi's value ensures fair deals. Accountability keeps everyone honorable. Social connections encourage good behavior. Reputation matters. Each honest trade is like watering a seed of trust. Over time, this grows into a strong, resilient community. Trust makes people more willing to participate and trade. Their local trust has a ripple effect, building confidence in Pi worldwide. Outsiders see real people creating real value. Wat Kwao Kong strengthens belief in decentralized systems. Each transaction is a vote of confidence in the future. They prove a community can build an economy on trust. Wat Kwao Kong is proof that teamwork makes the dream work. The Pi network's dream is a global peer-to-peer economy. This requires millions of pioneers working together. Their market is a coordinated effort. Everyone contributes unique skills. Some organize events, others help with technology, and artisans provide goods. Teamwork extends beyond the market. They educate and welcome newcomers. They see themselves as part of a global team, not just a local one. Their actions strengthen the entire Pi ecosystem. Wat Kwao Kong proves Pi's core concept: a community-powered economy works. Their teamwork turns Pi's potential into inspiring reality. Wat Kwao Kong's achievements are a model for the world. You provide a blueprint for turning digital assets into thriving economies. Your cooperation fuels growth. Each problem solved makes you stronger. More participation means more goods and services for Pi, making it more valuable. This creates a positive feedback loop, attracting even more people. Your model of cooperative growth is what Pi needs globally. Value comes from collective action, not central authority. You're a small-scale version of Pi's global vision. Imagine thousands of communities following your lead. Wat Kwao Kong is a co-builder and leader in the Pi network's future. The journey is inspiring, but challenges lie ahead. As you grow, maintaining unity and trust will take effort. Effective communication and inclusion are key. Transitioning to an open network will bring new complexities. Prepare by strengthening your local economy. The more you use Pi for real goods and services, the more resilient you become. Education is another challenge. Newcomers will need guidance. Every person you teach strengthens your network. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Each problem solved and new member onboarded expands your strength. Innovate, create new services for Pi. The most exciting chapters are still ahead. As you look to the future, keep moving forward with courage and purpose. You've already achieved something remarkable. Don't let anyone tell you your dream is too big. You are proof that a dedicated community can change the world. Let your success fuel the next stage of your journey. Courage means moving forward despite uncertainty. Trust in yourselves, each other, and your vision. Your courage inspires pioneers everywhere. March forward with purpose. Build an inclusive, accessible economy. Let purpose guide your decisions and welcome new members. Shared purpose transforms individuals into a unified force. Your story is one of hope, trust, and potential. Continue to build, cooperate, and inspire. The future you're building is bright, and it's one we can all believe.